Today I wanted to show you my brand new kit, and it is a cell phone journal. And it's a journal on spiritual warfare. It has spiritual warfare verses. This part are the little hinges. They're really small that go on the cards with the verses on it. And this are pages from the journal. There's several pages like this with different vintage looks to them. And what you do is you connect all the pages together with a hinge or however you want to do it. This is the outside of the whole thing. I really like how it turned out. Super pretty. And these are just writing pages for your journal. Sorry about that. These are some of the cards with verses on them. These are for the back of the card. You glue them together. And here I have some more of the pretty pages that go in between. And this is some of the hinges that can go with this if you want. And there starts some more of the Bible cards. There's 27 pages of everything all together. They all have matching papers that match these right here. And you can put them on the back side, glue them together. Here's more of the verse cards. They have backs to them. Now you can make pockets if you want to put those in, or you can just, what I had planned was to put hinges on them and glue them onto the side of some of the writing paper. Some more of these. They're so pretty. Just love how they turned out. And these match. And there's just a few more pages left. And this is your sneak peek. This should be up in the shop by Monday, Tuesday. I'm just so happy with it because I've been wanting to do something with spiritual warfare versus just, they're so important to our lives and to our children's lives. So if you have a teen girl that's battling in this wicked world, this might be a good idea. Good project. This is the eco-dyed paper. So if you always wanted to eco-dye and you just can't get it right, well, there you go. It's in the kit. Or you don't have time or space or whatever, there it is. Some more verses. So let me know if you're excited about this like I am. Can't wait to start working on it. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.